Hello, welcome to the Cooking with Friends program. Today we're going to be making teriyaki hamburgers. To start with, we have 1.5 pounds of ground beef. Now, if your family doesn't like ground beef, you can always use any other ground chicken, ground pork, ground turkey if you would like. To that, we're going to add some teriyaki sauce. We're going to add some honey. And again, you can always spray your dish or your measuring spoon to try to help your honey get out a little easier. It's because it is very sticky and sometimes doesn't want to come out. We have some chopped garlic, and we have some salt and ground ginger that we're going to put in here. Now what we're going to do is you can use a spoon, or the easiest way I always find it is just to get your hands in and mix this up. Now this recipe will make 4 hamburgers that can either be pan cooked or you can grill them out on the grill. And again, you just kind of work it all in until you notice it's all good. Now the easiest way I always find to kind of divide out evenly your hamburger is kind of get it all into one shape and kind of just cut it in half, and then cut each half into half, and you should end up with 4 kind of balls. Now to form your patties, you can just kind of round them out and then flatten them. And then what I like to do is kind of go around the sides with my thumb and kind of squish it in to kind of compact the burger. That way, if you grill it, it doesn't kind of fall apart. And since this plate already had raw hamburger on it, it is okay to go ahead and put our hamburger patties back on it. And once I get these all formed, I'll show you how to get them ready for the freezer. As you can see, we have all 4 teriyaki hamburgers formed. So now we just need to get them ready to go in the freezer. What I have here is some strips of freezer paper. Freezer paper has a plastic, it's like a kind of plastic fill on one side and it's papery on the one side, and I've kind of cut it in strips to kind of fit the size of our hamburgers, and fold it to where the plastic side is facing each other, and I'm going to put one of the hamburger patties in it. I'll have it so you can all see it, and just kind of fold it over. And then in our freezer Ziploc bag, I'm going to stack it, and I'm going to do this for each one of these. And this kind of gives it an extra layer of protection. And the other nice thing about doing it like this is, let's say you only want 1 hamburger or 2 hamburgers, you don't have to thaw them all. You can pull out the ones that you need. So what you'll do is, after you get these all wrapped up, you'll put these in the freezer. Be sure you're laying them flat so they can freeze flat. And then when you're ready to cook them, like we said the day before, pull them out, put them in the refrigerator to thaw out, and then you can either pan saute them or grill them. And then remember, you want the internal temperature of your hamburger to reach 155 degrees on a food thermometer. Again, these are the teriyaki hamburgers.